Due to so many requests for this individual, I decided I can't hide from it any longer and not do it. So today I'm doing the Quinton Griggs haircut tutorial, AKA which we've referred to as many times the dead animal look on your head. So I guess really this is just a grown out, typical TikToker type haircut where it's somewhat shorter on the sides. His is a little bit kind of longer and more grown out looking. And he just has all this hair that just is like all over the place. And that's his look. So I keep getting requests for it. So I figured, you know what, I'm going to do it. Now there's a variety of ways you can wear it. It doesn't have to be all kind of in your face. Because of the length, you can brush it back, which I've seen. You've seen a lot of his videos, he's brushing his hair back. So it doesn't always have to look like it's just a mop on your head. You can actually style it in a variety of different ways. So I'm going to do the haircut, follow along, then I'll break it down at the end. All right, everyone, so here is the Quinton Griggs hairstyle, and I just want to break it down. So again, this haircut is somewhat controversial because some may say it literally looks like something is dead on the individual's head, but the haircut, believe it or not, is a nice haircut. It's just how it's styled. So what I did is I tapered the back down a little bit into here and worked this up to where the length really starts to, in this area right here, to create a more of a rounded shape and fuller shape right in through here, working into the length. So as you can see, the back here, this part comes out at least like 5.5 inches and then goes longer towards the front. What I did on the sides here is I really just cut this just below the ear, right? So it's not really short and tapered above the ear. You can, but anytime you cut something where even if it's just slightly below the ear, it's still going to make it look a lot neater if it was all the way down here and real scruffy. So that's what's giving it that kind of illusion of it being still somewhat nice looking, okay? And then the top, again, goes to about 6.5 to 7 inches or so. And the length of the front here, I mean, this goes all the way down to like the lip. So it's pretty long. But the unique thing is I did layer it on top a little bit, right? So we've got some layers in there, which you need in order to have this hair move around. So if you've got just really, really pin straight hair, and this is pin straight hair. So for everyone who's wondering, can I get this kind of style on pin straight hair? Yes, you can. And because I did it. So what I did is a few things. So I used, and this is literally the #1 product for this type of look. It's my Tidal Wave Sea Salt Hairspray. It's my #1 selling product. As a professional hairstylist and learning how to do these types of looks, I've never used anything better than that as a pre-styler to get this. This is hot off the press. This is brand new. So I have the other round brush that's a bit of a larger size, but I tested this brush out and I said, I have to launch this. I'm calling it like the TikToker hairstyle brush. This is a 2-inch brush. It's the same thing as the other one, the same benefits, the thermal ceramic brush, so it's not damaging your hair. It really just works so smoothly throughout the hair, so there's no knots or anything like that. And it's the perfect brush in order to get this style. And as you saw, what I did is I rolled the hair and I held the dryer there for a few seconds at a time, and then that's the only way, or if you use a curling iron, to get this type of flip. This is the secret, folks. This and the blow dryer. And this is available on my website now, shop.thesalonguy.com. And then I used, again, this is selling out like crazy because of these types of looks. This is my locked hairspray, which is a matte hairspray. It's a very, very matte hairspray, which is unique because typically hairsprays are very hard to work in the hair and they leave the hair very shiny. This is the complete opposite. It's very, very easy to use and to mold. It doesn't have a lot of hold or extreme hold, which is why I like it, but it also gives a matte finish, so you're not getting any sort of like high shine look. And a lot of times when you see in the videos, you know, they brush the hair back like this and then pull it forward. His kind of tends to split a little. And again, yes, he's got kind of like that just real wild, messy hair. He obviously has had haircuts and styles where it's a lot more tame and it looks a lot more presentable. But for all of those who are looking and wondering how to achieve this type of look, this is how you go about doing it. And this is kind of like the flared out, more wild type of look, but you can actually style it this way. All right, everyone, let's try to get him to see this. I've had a lot of these TikTokers and big influencers see my haircut videos, and I think it'd be awesome for him to get to see this and maybe so tweet it to him or share it to him on Instagram or whatever. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.